This is One World Yachts, and today we are in Key Largo, Florida, looking at a 65-foot Donzi Sportfish Enclosed Bridge. This is the 1996 model in very, very, very nice condition. She has a Detroit diesel 1692s with 1450 horsepower, about 1,000 hours on her, and the boat's pretty nice. This is a 2-stateroom layout with one berth for crew, along with the crew head. One of the newer models that's available for sale. This one has two 27 kW generators. Custom finish on the engines. The engine room is very, very nice on this. Large cockpit. You can see the fighting chair. Teak deck. Wood's all good. Paint is good. Has that nice etched glass aft. Boat shines. This one has outriggers. No tower on this one. Let's go on board and take a look. I think you'll be very happy. It's a nice boat. I have access to the engine room back here. And tackle box in here. Both sides. Freezer in here. I'm not going to take this access to the engine room. Go from the inside. There you go. Go inside. There's a light blue carpeting with the maple cherry. Maple cherry, nice. Maple wood. A little bit older on the electronics. Soft goods all good. Everything's in good condition. Installed a wine cooler down here. You'll see they have a like a 36-inch tube Mitsubishi TV. It's all the electronics. VCR. Galley's in nice shape. Marble tops, 2 stools as you can see, double stainless sink, 4-burner stove top, melee, under counter refrigerator and freezer, an ice maker, have a dishwasher. Everything's okay. Go forward. I just turned the air conditioner on, so it's pretty hot in here. The passageway. As we're going aft, on the port side is the master. Queen size berth. Mirrored. The cabinetry, we have a flat screen, Samsung TV. Hanging lockers on either side of it. Cedar lined. Nice size head. Shower stall. Aft. It's all carpeted. Going in here, you could be 6 foot tall in here, and the shower head's way up tile. So just have to bend down for the entrance, which is probably about 5'8", 5'9", somewhere in there. Plenty of headroom throughout the entire boat. A little dark back there, and lights did come on. And all the way forward, we have rod storage as we go more forward. I don't think any of this comes with the boat. Washer and dryer in here. stackable unit. I believe it's vented, I'm not positive. And then all the way forward we have the VIP. Lockers on either side, in-suite head. And this one's tiled with a shower stall. Door opening in. And the shower head is plenty high enough, and again, 7-foot headroom in there. So plenty of headroom in the showers, plenty of space in each head. Walls look good. Wood looks good. Headliner looks good. There's a Sony tube TV in here. And stereo electronics. Go down into the engine room as we go aft, and just behind the master entrance, the entrance to the crew quarters and the engine room. Crew quarters back here. It's a pretty long berth. Has his own TV and stereo, and his own head, and the handheld shower. Engine room is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous engine room. Kudos to the captain on this boat. I like this engine room a lot. This is nice. $610 on this generator. You can see that one. Almost 600 on that one. Very, very nice. We'll go up top. I'm going to show you the circular staircase, the enclosed bridge. Piping for the headliners coming down right there. That's just a little bit of glue. All hi-hats. All right, let's go up top. Continued with the blue carpeting up here. Same soft goods. Additional cushion's been put away. Nice captain's seat, all electronic. Very good Furuno package. see. Little bar back here, sink, refrigerator. On the aft deck out of here. Station back here. Okay, and this is One World Yachts. 65 Donzi, 1996. And we're out.